This is a cheat table. It's used to modify games in real time. You don't open it with a text editor, you load it into Cheat Engine while your game is running. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's hook it to the process. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware, I've kept the most effective CT file solution for the tough cases near the end. A CT file is a table used by Cheat Engine, a memory scanner, debugger often used in video games. These tables contain addresses and values of in-game variables, allowing users to modify them for cheating purposes. CT files store information about specific game processes and memory locations, enabling users to alter game mechanics or character attributes. CT files are essentially scripts that Cheat Engine interprets. They contain a list of memory addresses, data types, and values. When loaded into Cheat Engine, the table allows the user to easily find and modify these memory locations in the target game process. The structure of a CT file is specific to Cheat Engine and includes information about the game's executable. To maintain file fidelity, use Cheat Engine developed by open source to OpenCT. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows can open scripts for review, but running them depends on compatible tools. Your first step in unlocking the file. Right-click the CT file and select Open With. Prioritize Cheat Engine if you see it. If not, select another program. A systematic approach is best here. If the CT file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. We've isolated the failure to one of 3 common causes. Here's a concise breakdown of the most likely culprits and the specific action required to check them. First, use Cheat Engine. Open the file using the Cheat Engine application, as this is the required program for running the memory modification table. Next, check game version. Ensure the CT file was created for the exact version of the game you are running, as version mismatches cause the table to fail. Finally, check for Windows block. If the file fails to load, right-click the file, go to Properties, and check the box to unblock the file under the security message. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.